here in Southbury at the Riverview Cinemas, and we have a sneak peek showing here on Thursday of Ford v Ferrari. And as we know, Carroll Shelby was just awesome back in the day, and teaming up with Ford. I'll make a long story short, Ford and Ferrari had a little feud, and Ford ended up coming up on top in a big way. So right behind us is one of those cars. It's a GT40. It's a newer version of it. We also have here a beautiful brand new Ferrari, and over here we have a 1965 AC Shelby Cobra. We also have, if you take a look, this is a beautiful red Ford GT right here. A black one right behind that. It's just incredible. So we're going to have an opportunity to go see this movie tonight. It's a beautiful night. The cars are running real good, man. When the cool air gets into that motor, it's just awesome. You just got to watch the traction because you can't get the heat in the tires as much. So you got to be very, very careful. So I'm Gary for Crucial Classic Cars and Hot Rods for the Ford v Ferrari. Take a look at it. I'm Gary here in Southbury, Riverview Cinemas. Take a look. Absolutely awesome, guys. Ford v Ferrari here at the Southbury Cinema. It's just beautiful on the silver screen. You got to come out, take a look at these chairs. It's just awesome. We had a grand time. There's 4 GTs in the parking lot. It's just awesome. The motivation, it's a real motivation movie of the automotive world. So come check it out. It'd be worth your while.